Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Sandwiches are something that I personally love and enjoy, and I always like to try different types of sandwiches with different fillings. So today I'm going to share a very simple and easy to make sandwich. This is onion cheese sandwich. It's very tasty, very quick to make, so let's get started and check it out. For the onion cheese sandwich, first we need to cook the onions. Make sure to cut the onions nice and thin. I've taken 10 medium-sized onions for this recipe. So when you caramelize the onions, it will be reduced in quantity. So hence I've taken 10 medium-sized onions. Take a nice white pan. To this I'm adding 25 grams of unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add the onions. Once you've added the onions, increase the flame to a high. So we're going to cook these onions on high flame. Instead of butter, you can also add oil. Once the onions have softened, continue to cook. You can mix it at intervals. So the onions are beginning to brown. At this stage, I'm going to bring the flame to a medium. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt and 1 small teaspoon of sugar. So just mix that in. This is going to help caramelize the onions quickly. It's going to change color faster. You're going to see an instant color change here. So it took me 20 minutes to caramelize these onions. Turn off the stove, remove the onions from the pan and keep it aside. So you can see that beautiful caramel color on the onions. If you brown them too much, they may get bitter. This is a nice color on the onions. For the sandwiches, I'm taking white bread, but you can use any bread of your choice to make these sandwiches. Take a generous amount of the caramelized onions and gently spread it across the bread. Make sure you spread it evenly on all sides. So you can see it's a very simple and easy to make onion cheese sandwich. Next, I'm adding a generous amount of cheese. This is processed cheese. You can use a cheese slice also if you like. I'm going to make this sandwich nice and cheesy. Just adding it evenly on all sides. Close the sandwich, gently press it, and now we're going to toast it. Next, let's start toasting the sandwiches. Heat a tawa, add a little butter to the tawa, gently spread it across. Place the sandwich and toast it on medium-low flame till you get that lovely golden brown color. While you're toasting the sandwich, apply some butter on the top slice, spread it evenly on all sides. Once the sandwich is toasted on one side, gently flip it to the other side. Once you've toasted the sandwiches on both sides, remove it from the pan and you can enjoy these delicious onion cheese sandwiches nice and hot. So you can see how nice and crispy it is. Well, we have a huge playlist for sandwiches. I'll give you the link in the description. Do check it out. Wow, just look at that beautiful onion cheese combo. This is cheese overload with that beautiful gooey cheese and the nice caramelized onions. It makes for a perfect evening snack. Onion cheese sandwiches with gooey cheese and caramelized onions. Well, I can't wait to try it. Cheese overload, those beautiful onions. I'm just loving it. So yummy. Makes for a perfect evening snack. Well, that's a very simple and delicious onion cheese sandwich. We all have onions at home. So get cooking, try the sandwich, and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.